been like a centerfold.
Has received a lot of backlash since he posted a video of him and his cat on social media that went viral.
Yo. I'm not gonna lie, this little kid right here be having me rolling. This little kid is funny, but mind you, he's getting a whole lot of backlash because he over here smacking on this cat. Y'all see the video on the right side, correct? All right, hold on one second, just so everybody can see the video clearly of what he's doing to this cat. Mind you, if you see any small fist punch a cat inside the head, that is him.
Well, since this, he has went ahead and responded.
What? What? Man, these photos ran up on Hasbulla, bruh. Look. That boy was a shook.
Hello, click the Hasbulla entity. Wow, shit.
So he said, friends, many of you are writing about my cat. I love cats. My cat sometimes disobeys and I have to culturally punish her. I don't understand your anger. Don't think bad thoughts. My dear viewers, I love you. So yeah, very mixed opinions on this one. What is everybody's thoughts on it? Make sure to comment and don't forget to turn our notifications on for more updates.